What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. Look, I want to show y'all about this app that I've brought to you before. It's called DOSH. The link will be in the description. You sign up under that link, you get a $5 bonus if you actually link your debit card and all that kind of stuff. I'll explain that in the video. But I just want to show you a cash out and show you how how you basically just make money with this video. Get into the app right here. You see my balance will pop up right there. It is $25.96. All right. Now you see this is basically just a cashback app. You see here, you can go to in-store and it shows you down here all the places that you can go to that you can get cash back from. Okay. Now it's very important to remember, in order to get cash back from this app, two things have to happen. One, whatever debit card that you use, you have to have it linked to this account. Okay. And it's important that you have it linked because you're going to get $5 when you link your card automatically. All right. So you link your card, and when you do a transaction on this site, you have to use it as a credit transaction, not as a debit transaction. Because if you use it as a debit transaction, you will not get your cash back. So remember that. Link your debit card to the app, get your $5, and when you use it as a credit transaction when you go to any of these places on this app. All right. So I'm just scrolling through just to kind of show you some of the places that you can go through. It's showing me places in my area, but wherever you live, it'll show you places that are near you, and it just shows you how much you'll get cash back. Like for instance, Kroger, a grocery store. I go in there, I use my debit card as a credit transaction, and I'll get 5 cents, 5% cash back on however much that I spend on that. You know what I'm saying? Pizza Hut, however much I spend, I get 3% cash back, and it happens instantly. Like I have a video showing you how instantly it is. Like it's literally the same minute. Like whenever your purchase goes through at Pizza Hut, you'll get the same notification from DOSH saying, look, you've been awarded this amount of cash back. So again, just showing you like Dunkin' Donuts. A lot of the places on here are probably not popular, but that's why they're giving you cash back, because they want people to actually go to these places. But every now and then you'll find places that you go to on a regular anyway, like Kroger grocery store, Pizza Hut. I think Buffalo Wild Wings is on here. Just any place that you feel free, feel free to go to any of these places. You know what I'm saying? Denny's. It just kind of shows you, just what's out there. You can also do places online. You know what I'm saying? When you go online, it's like you have to use a credit transaction. So let me click on that real quick and just show you some of the places you can go to. Actually, online purchases actually pay a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? So you're the top like 10% for those places. So you go to those places and you buy some online, just remember that you have to have your debit card linked so you can get that cash back. All right. Simple as that. So if you go to Sam's and you start a new membership, they give you $5. I think that membership is like $40, but they'll give you $5 just for signing up. So that is that. Very simple app to use. Just the most important thing is to remember that to link your debit cards. If you have more than one debit card, link all of them. That way, whenever you make a purchase, you'll get cash back from it, and you'll get your $5 for linking. That's probably the biggest thing, linking your debit card to get the $5. So just definitely keep that in mind. I'm gonna do a cash out here. Go back up to my account. Just click on that real quick. Click on that. I won't show up, man. I'm tripping. So right here, I'm gonna go down to actually wallet. That's how you do it. My bad, wallet. I'm trying to hold this camera and click at the same time, so it's kind of messing with me. But let me go back out, all completely out the app. Go back in, go down to wallet. And you see some of the purchases that I've made. I got 36-cent pending from Pizza Hut. I actually had a little, some people over my house, so I had ordered pizza, 2 days for the weekend. So that's why I got, 2 purchases from Pizza Hut. And you see here, I have $25.24 is actually already, available. And that 72-cent, which is right there from Pizza Hut, is still pending. It takes like a couple days for it to actually go through with pending, because you use it as a credit transaction. That's how they work. But simple as this, you can cash out in this app when you get to $25. You'll get that $25 easily if you're really going to these places. You know what I'm saying? It will surprise you how, you just go to a place that you're not even, thinking about making money with, and you swipe your card and they'll give you a notification saying, oh, you got cash back here. It's happened to me a numerous amount of times when I go get gas. When I go to the grocery store, like when I went to Kroger, I got cash back from that. Just buying groceries, doing what I had to do anyway. So just make sure you just link your debit card and use it as a credit transaction. Right? So I'm gonna go here to transfer. I want to put in my PayPal account, And how much do I want to put in there? I'm just going to do 25 and leave the rest of it in my account, like 24 cents or whatever. You want to transfer $25 to your email. Click transfer, and that's that, complete. You know what I'm saying? So look, the process can take 3 to 5 business days to transfer to your account. Just like that. Okay, got it. Bam. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not going to rate it right now, but just remember, you see here, $25 pending into my PayPal account. Just that simple to use, y'all. And just remember, you know, the offers here they have showing you, again, they're scrolling up and down, all the places you can go through. You know what I'm saying? I can't stress it enough. The most important thing is to link your debit card so you can get $5 instantly. And that way you can get paid for every place that you go to that is on this app. Very, very easy app to use, y'all. There's not a lot of effort put into it. You know what I'm saying? Just set up your account. That's really all it is. You see here, my balance went down to 96 cents. And, you know, that's all for this video. You know what I'm saying? Just remember, sign up with the link in the description. That way you can link your debit card and get the $5. And just, you know, look at the offers they had, a place that they can go, that you can go to get cash back, and you can make money just like that. You know what I'm saying? Just getting cash back on places you go to anyway to get groceries or to get gas or to go out to eat, and just let your account build up. This is an app you definitely have to have downloaded on your phone or your tablet or both. Just make sure you have it. Make sure you have all the debit cards that you use linked to this account. That way you'll never forget, and you'll never, you know, have to go to a place and not get cash back because your debit card wasn't linked. So one more time, just to stress it enough, click on the link in the description, link your debit card or all the debit cards you use so you can get $5 instantly, and just start going some of these places, you know, get cash back. All right, so that's it for this video. And remember, every penny counts.